Every year, thousands of people get hurt or even killed because machines turn on when they shouldn't. These accidents usually happen during repairs or cleaning. The good news? They can be prevented. Lockout Tagout is a critical safety procedure that protects workers from hazardous energy. Whether it's electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, or mechanical, energy can be deadly if not properly controlled. Why Lockout Tagout matters. Not following Lockout Tagout rules doesn't just break safety guidelines. It can lead to real injuries or worse. According to OSHA, compliance with Lockout Tagout standards prevents an estimated 120 fatalities and 50,000 injuries each year. Yet Lockout Tagout violations remain one of OSHA's top 10 most cited standards, year after year. Workers injured from hazardous energy lose an average of 24 workdays per incident. In one case study, a maintenance worker was severely burned because a valve wasn't properly locked out, leading to over $150,000 in fines and months of recovery. These aren't just numbers. They're people's lives, families, and futures, all changed because someone skipped a step. The 6 basic Lockout Tagout best practices. Before doing any work on a machine, these 6 steps must be followed to make sure it can't start up by accident. Step 1. Let others know work is being done. Step 2. Turn off the equipment. Step 3. Shut off all energy sources, like electricity or air pressure. Step 4. Put on a lock and tag to warn others not to turn it on. Step 5. Release any leftover energy stored in the machine. Step 6. Check to make sure the machine is fully off and safe to work on. Only after all of these steps are done is it safe to begin working. After the work is done, when the job is finished, make sure to remove any tools or parts, put safety covers or guards back in place, take off your lock and tag. Let others know the machine is ready and safe to use again. Quick reminders. Do use your own lock and tag. Do double check that all energy is off. Don't remove someone else's lock. Don't skip any steps. Don't assume a machine is safe. Check. First, even workers with years of experience can get hurt if they rush or skip steps. Locking out equipment doesn't take long, but it can prevent serious, even life-changing injuries. The most important thing is making sure everyone goes home safe at the end of the day. Lockout Tagout rules are there to protect you, so follow them every single time. If you're ever unsure, stop and ask your supervisor. Before you go, take a few minutes to review your site's Lockout Tagout procedures with your supervisor and together identify the risks associated with your job. And don't forget to contact your supervisor to sign the Lockout Tagout Toolbox Talk training roster.